So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. She has some grown out roots here. The stylist adds in some color. Wow. Oh, I love the shade work on this. Beautiful dimensional blonde. Obviously, she got some hair extensions put in too. Amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone that started off with long dark hair, and she has decided to get a buzz cut in gold blonde. I love it. Such a beautiful hair change. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair transformations, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you will, of course, stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone also stepping into the world of color. Looks like she's covering up those grays that she initially had. Wow, she actually made the gray more prominent. Wow, I have never seen that before. That is amazing. I love the feathered haircut that she got along with that. And then we have someone with red hair. Now this is some very bold red hair here. Looks like he ended up putting in some very nice layers, beautiful bangs, and she still has that bold red color. Very nice. Next up, we see someone with a curly bob style. Looks like the stylist is kind of doing a cut refresh for this one. She's got some gorgeous hair. I love the texture. Beautiful. Looks like he did more of like a mini bob with the cutting, and she still has her stunning texture. Very nicely done. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she got a nice layered haircut. A little bit of color added as well. Very soft and subtle. Next up, it looks like we have someone in for some color. So they're going to be doing purple hair for this one. A little bit of pink towards the ends. Oh, she got her makeup done as well. A little bit of layering with the cutting. I feel like this look reminds me of just like a futuristic feel. The color is absolutely stunning, especially with the makeup. Unreal, so pretty. And then we see someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she's getting a color change. Oh, beautiful beige blonde. Wow. She looks absolutely stunning. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like the video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.